What? Yeah. Sure. Go. Let me go. Go. Nice try though. Yeah. Nice try. What he was trying to do is like get to kick me off course, but he failed at that. But still, it was a good try though. You gotta have your boats ready for that. I did not want me to be rude, but he was definitely trying to do that. But then I just said, nice try. He can definitely go do that. Some other person that doesn't have strong defenses. I mean, I don't have strong ones either, so. Oh. Why can't I control? Oh my god, dude. Why can't I control it? Oh, I am controlling it. Just laggy. Get rid of these thrusters, please. He did that. Come on. I literally can't. No. Let me. Intercepting maneuver. He's catching up to me. The dude who tried to take me out is catching up. Oh god. These dust balls though. Now it's off your. Come on. Yeah, it turns out I died. Second time's the charm. Come on. Come on. That way. This way, that way, this way, that way, this way, that way, that. Ooh, this way. No. Gears in the water. this part. Ah. Ah, dang it. No. 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 This way. Come on. E. E. This way. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. Alright, we're... Oh. My god. I almost died. This way, and then this way, and then this way. Yeah, we're good. We can move past this stage. Yep. Oh god, it's the dirty diner. There's absolutely no way I can get past that, actually. Like, literally no way. Literally no way. Because, like, the mustard will come. Ah! How am I supposed to get past this one? Ah! I can... Yeah. Yeah. Hanging by a thread. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. I'm still alive. Dang it. It's that over there. That didn't help. It's a chest. Oh, one I already claimed. Alright, let's start with this one. This one doesn't have a like a little boat motor. I like to see him harpoon me and try to... It's like the last dude that tried that. Like the last person who tried, grab, like trying to make me go off course and fall off the map. He failed at that. What is that? Oh, it looks like, it's like the left side, it looks like duct tape, but when you look closely, it is pancakes. We're trying with the bumpy rider. I called it the bumpy rider because it's supposed to be bouncy, but it's not bouncy at all. Dragon Quest. Come on. Yo. We're now reaching the alien zone. Which will probably destroy my build. Right? Why aren't they attacking? There it is. Come on. We're literally right there. I hate how they're attacking me. Made it. You made it. Here now we have to be careful. I don't want to fail on this one. Come on. Oh, wait. Huh, new map. Donut's gone. What map is this? Oh, alligators. There's one. How does the alligators work, actually? Oh. Something attacked us. Didn't matter. What matters are these dynamites. This way. No. No. No! There goes the front. There goes the left. Yeah. Oh. Oh wait, my blocks. They're making a path for me. Come on. I'm right there. Okay, turn it around. What's this? What's that? Oh, we gotta go. Go, 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 go. Go. Oh wait, I forgot. I have shields. I can use them if it falls. I don't think I'll need to. But if I must, I will. Come on. No. No! Come on. Come on. Yes, the water. Okay, I gotta turn on. Okay, I gotta turn on the shields. Wow, the shield failed me. I mean, there is a hole, but I'm gonna get soaked in as much blocks to make a path. Place it in front. There. Now I gotta shred the top of the bun. And then when the time's right, just climb over it. Climb over it. Thank you. We're so close to the end. Come on. Dum, dum, da 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 da. Remember. Come on. Come on. No. This is literally the last herd. Are you kidding me? Thank you. Ha. I think it's over. Come on. Whee! Bonk. And then to claim my prize. Time to claim my prize, guys. The recording might crash here because the animation. Nope. One gold block. Wait for it. I made it all the way to the end. New treasure chest. I am 227 gold.